It should be okay. Be able to change some gaskets later. And yeah, the Army came through. We got to return it to them, but they'll give it back to us. We should.
Really? You got you on loaner?
Yeah. Not too tight. I got to take them off again anyway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I got to replace these gaskets after.
Those all dry today?
Yeah. They're reasonably dry.
Your driver would like to know if we should stay in there.
Yeah, stay in there, Larry.
Okay.
We're going to give her a little bit more of a run in a minute. Until it needs to. You can feel it pulling air though. Oh yeah. We're going to run it for about 10 minutes. I've got 20 volts. You got 20? Alert! I would call that a success. No leaks? What's what? All right, so there you have it. So we've test run our Leopard engine. So the O-rings that we changed out in our fuel injector bank are sealed. It's not leaking from where it was before. We changed 6 hoses in total that were cracked or degraded, so those don't leak. Outside of finding a couple of fittings that weren't as tight as they could have been. They have flare fittings on them, so you really don't want to crank really hard on them until you're sure that it's just seated. Then you check them while it's running. You got a good opportunity to see the valve train in motion. As we can see now, we're down to a point where the engine will run. The leaks are fixed. Now it's routine maintenance, so we'll be changing the oil filter, we'll be changing the oil out, cleaning the engine up before it goes back in, and then we'll have a serviceable unit in about a month, given our volunteer time, so it shouldn't be too bad. We actually could probably have it back in 2 days with the amount of work that's left, but we'll be working towards that. There might be one more video after this showing the engine going back in, but as far as that pretty much is our Leopard engine maintenance to fix the fuel issues. So if you're more interested in seeing more, come visit us on our Facebook page or Ontario Regiment Museum or tankmuseum.ca. We'll see you again next time.
All right.
Thanks, dude.
No, thank you.